This is the Solenoid Force Calculator, Electromagnetic, which calculates the pull force generated by an electromagnetic solenoid based on its physical and electrical parameters. Let's look at the 4 input fields required for this calculation. First, we have number of turns N, where you enter the total number of wire turns in your solenoid coil. Next is current I in amperes, which is the electrical current flowing through the coil. The third field is air gap G in millimeters, representing the distance between the solenoid core and the armature. Finally, we need the core area A in square millimeters, which is the cross-sectional area of your solenoid's magnetic core. For our demonstration, I'll enter these test values. Number of turns equals 10, current equals 10 amperes, air gap equals 10 millimeters, and core area equals 10 square millimeters. After clicking Calculate Solenoid Force, the calculator returns a pull force of 0.00 newtons. This zero result indicates that with these particular parameters, the solenoid configuration would not generate any measurable electromagnetic pull force, which could suggest the air gap is too large or the ampere turns are insufficient for this core area. Find the link in the description below.